Did you ever find yourself looking in the mirror and suddenly realizing that there's some excess baggage back here that wasn't here before? How to lose love handles. Hi, my name is Jenny Roberts. I'm a graduate of the American Academy of Nutrition and a nationally certified personal trainer. I've got some great tips for you today as to how you can actually lose those love handles, and pretty quickly. First of all, you know you got to exercise, so make it happen 3 times a week. Pick something you enjoy. Don't make it agony. You like to play basketball? Play basketball. Shooting hoops is great. You like to skate? Skate. You want to rollerblade? Whatever works for you, but you've got to do it 3 times a week. Make it happen. As far as diet goes, this is going to be key. The one thing I want you to do when you first start out, get rid of the processed foods. You can still have chips. I know, I said it. You can still have some beverages in moderation, but I want you to start buying better quality food. So let's say, for example, buying some chips that don't have hydrogenated oil. So on top of all the calories and fat, you're also not taking in all that processed chemicals, all those things that are really going to move straight into those fat cells. Remember, the fatty areas of the body are where all the toxins are pulled to. So not only do you gain that weight, but you really accumulate a lot of toxicity while you do it. So make better choices with your food. Start buying things without hydrogenated oils. Start drinking more water. And start eating, just in general, less fatty foods. Think about smaller portions. Eat more frequently. And remember, 3 times a day we're going to exercise. Next thing you know, you'll be looking in the mirror, and there won't be a thing. You can use the love handles. I'm Jenny Roberts. Thanks for joining.